HubSpot tutorial. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Go to your browser and search for HubSpot.com in the search bar. Once the website loads, log into your account. If you don't have an account, start by clicking the Get Started free button located below the Login button. Begin by entering your email address in the provided field. Once entered, click the Verify Email option to proceed. A verification code will be sent to your email. Go check your inbox for the code. Return to the HubSpot page and enter the verification code into the appropriate field. Then click the Next button. You will then be prompted to create a password. Once you have chosen your password, click Next to proceed. After that, enter your first name, last name, and any other required personal information to complete your sign-up process. Once your account setup is complete, you'll be directed to the home page. From here, go to the top of the page and locate the plus button, then click it. A drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, select the task option. You can now begin creating your first task within HubSpot.